Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve this exponential equation, which is x power x equal to 18. It means we need to find out the values of x for which this equation satisfy. Okay. So one can start with any hit and trial method. Say if you put x equal to say 3, then we will get 3 power 3, which is 27, but this is not equal to 18, so x equal to 3 cannot be a solution. You can try with any number x equal to 4, minus 5 and whatever you desire, and you need to check whether you are getting both the sides equal or not. So you will find out that any integers will not going to work. Now when you are not able to find out any solution by hit and trial method, what you can do, you can go with logarithm on both the sides. So we will take natural logarithm on both the side of the given equation. Now we have the property of the logarithm that a power b and b will come out. Okay, so we will apply this. Say this equation, for the simpleness we will say the given equation is 1, this equation 2. So we will apply this logarithm property on equation number 2, and then x will come out ln x equal to ln 18. Okay, now to solve this equation, say equation number 3, we are going to use this very famous function. This is called Lambert W function, which will give you a into ea equal to a. So to apply this function on the equation number 3, we will first convert equation number 3 left hand side in the form of a into e power a. How we are going to convert this? So for that we can write this x as x e power ln x. So e and ln will cancel and you will get x equal to x. So we will substitute this e ln x into ln x. Now you will see this is your a, so this will treat as a, and e power a, this will be e power a, and a equal to ln x will work. Okay, now we have, this is equation number 4. Now we will apply Lambert W function on both sides of equation 4. So we will get e ln x into ln x equal to w of ln 80. Now by the Lambert W function, this left hand side will become ln x because a equal to ln x, and right hand side will be w of ln 80. Say this equation is 5. So to find out the value of x, we will use one property that ln a equal to b. This will give you a equal to e power b. So when you apply this property, you will get our desired value. And if you want the decimal values of this equation, what you can do, you can use any online calculator which provides the value for the Lambert W function, and you will get your desired value in decimal places. So if you use Wolfram Alpha, where you can find this Lambert W function calculator, then if you input everything, you will get your x approximated to 2.803, and this is your desired value, which is approximate value in the decimal. I hope this whole process is clear to you. This use a Lambert function, and which makes this solution is quite easy, though we need to use an online calculator or any other calculator by which we can find out the values of w ln 18, but the whole process has become very easy. So from here you can easily get the ideas how you are going to solve your exponential equation by using the Lambert W function. Thank you very much.